Eliminate skin tags naturally with Alum and Giant Milkweed. Skin tags usually don't need medical treatment, but if you choose removal, home remedies can dry them out. Today, I will show you how to prepare and use 2 natural ingredients for this purpose. The required ingredients are alum and giant milkweed. First, we must prepare the milkweed by grinding the leaf into a pure liquid extract. Pour the extracted liquid into a cooking pan and carefully add the alum powder. Place the pan on low fire and let it simmer until the alum is completely dissolved. This dissolution process may take several long hours. Do not rush this critical step. Once dissolved, remove from heat, cover the solution, and let it set completely. Warm the prepared liquid slightly. Soak cotton wool and massage it vigorously onto the skin growth. After massaging, immediately rub the area with shea butter to soothe the skin. Repeat this application method at least 3 times a week during treatment. Crucially, eat a small piece of raw garlic during each application session. Do not consume too much.